Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Akasisho njalo ekseni kulesihlanu, akasisho njalo ekseni kulesihlanu. Sithi vuka sikhuleke. The Lord is good. The Lord is gracious. This is another day that the Lord has made for each and every one of us. For the fact that you have wake up this day.